Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Recently, I had a chance to tour the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. It was an awesome experience. Check it out.
He's ready for the Saturday market. So now, we told you the raccoons eating the watermelons. Now the watermelons is ready.
Oh my God, Bob, that looks so delicious.
And they're really good. The jade watermelons. And they
Wait, Bob, something's wrong with that. It has seeds in it, Bob. Bob, this is a defect. If this is a pretty bad watermelon, we're gonna have to take that back. That watermelon has seeds in it.
So God gave us a seed. I don't eat nothing, just got a seed in it. So I'm gonna taste this watermelon, and I'm just doing a taste test. Me and Mike, we've been down there picking, they're getting ready.
Oh my God, they're so juicy.
They are really delicious. Mike is gonna add those at Blue Vine, at the Blue Vine store. So you gotta check in. Next week we'll be loaded up with the jade watermelons, jade black diamond watermelons. So you wanna follow Mike at Blue Vine Farm, and we getting loaded up for the market right here. You see some of the beets we have right here.
Wow.
You see some of the watermelons we got right here.
Can we talk about one of those where the coons, flip that over and show where the coons were trying to get in.
Okay.
That's how we know how real it is.
Well, you see, they've been scratching.
And they know.
Trying to get in, because they know better than we know. They know when they're ready. But they didn't trick us so far. They only got probably about maybe 3 or 4 of these here jades. But we only planted a small patch up, but we got another big patch coming on. So follow Mike with Blue Vine Farm if you want some good homegrown produce that's not been sprayed on. That's what we're shooting at, not sprayed on. A perfectly ripe watermelon will have black seeds. The seeds are not black, that means the watermelon's not ready, but we know because it's got a sign right here says it's yellow and got a curlicue, it's dead. And that's when you know they are ready. I mean, we know that when they're ready, but the coons know before we do. So like I said, follow Mike, follow Blue Vine Farm, and you'll come up with some good, delicious watermelons. Again, the color on the Crimson Sweet. This is our K-State watermelon. It was K-State invented this watermelon in K-State. I went to K-State. So anyway, tell the truth about this watermelon. It was, they invented this watermelon. It's a Kansas watermelon. We probably got about an 18-pounder here, and it's ready. They come along real slow. They shouldn't be ready till about the end of the month. The end of the month, they ought to be all about done. So, like I said again, follow us on Blue Vine, at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and we'll keep you in posted what's going on.
Wow, Bob, I am so excited. I have been waiting so long to get into this, and I just want to taste this for the people on camera, and our hard work fulfilled. Wow, I wish you could taste this with me. So delicious. If you like our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and tell someone. Also hit the button. Don't forget to bang that bell. Leave a comment and let us know if you want to see more watermelons, if you want to see more of Miss Deborah, if you want to see more of Bob, if you want to see more of Baby Noel, let us know. Leave a comment. What's your favorite watermelon? What an awesome time I had at the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. And thank you again for having me out, and look forward to working with you and your farm this year in 2023. All right, guys, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks, Mama.
Take a breath, it's summer, summer. Smell the perfume in the air. Loving how the days are longer. Sit out on the porch, dear.